Welcome to this in-depth review of the Sophos XGS 126 Next-Gen Firewall with Xstream protection, a highly capable security device designed to defend networks against modern threats while ensuring superior performance for critical applications. In this narration, we'll cover its unique features, performance metrics, real-life usability, as well as a balanced discussion of its advantages and a few potential drawbacks. The Sophos XGS 126 is built to protect networks through its innovative Xstream protection architecture. This key feature accelerates traffic for important SaaS, SD-WAN, and cloud applications, while keeping malicious threats at bay. One standout element is its intelligent TLS 1.3 decryption. This capability not only removes the blind spots that often plague network security, but also does so quickly and efficiently, supported by extensive exceptions and intuitive point-and-click policy tools that simplify administration. Another impressive aspect of this device is its Deep Packet Inspection, DPI. With high-performance streaming, DPI is integrated with next-generation IPS, web protection, and application control. This comprehensive inspection extends to deep learning and sandboxing analysis, all powered by Sophos Labs Intelix. Together, these features contribute to robust prevention against ransomware and sophisticated breaches, making this firewall an excellent deterrent in today's threat landscape. From a performance standpoint, the numbers speak for themselves. With a firewall throughput of 10,500 Mbps and an IMIX rate of 4,000 Mbps, the XGS 126 is engineered for high-speed data flow. The 8 ms firewall latency for 64-byte UDP packets and impressive IPS and threat protection throughput metrics 2,600 Mbps and 900 Mbps respectively confirm that this firewall performs exceptionally well even under heavy network loads. For real-life scenarios, this device offers reliable and consistent performance, ensuring safe and fast connectivity for even the most demanding network environments. While the Sophos XGS 126 provides top-notch security and performance, it is worth mentioning that its sophisticated features may require an investment in learning if you are new to advanced network security management. Comparatively, while other products in the market offer similar throughput figures, Sophos's integration of deep learning with sandboxing and a highly optimized TLS inspection process gives this unit an edge by providing both robust security and traffic optimization in one package. To get the most out of your Sophos XGS 126, ensure that you regularly update its firmware, take advantage of its intuitive policy tools, and tailor its extensive settings to meet the specific needs of your network. Overall, this product is highly recommended for medium to large enterprises and any organization requiring advanced protection without compromising on performance. Thank you for listening, and greetings to all our viewers. Enjoy your secure networking journey.